Hi, and welcome to Ocean Park Condominium in beautiful Ocean Beach, San Diego. 2111 Spray Street, Unit 4, is an adorable condo that literally sits right across the street from the Pacific Ocean, the Jetty, and sandy beaches. This sweet one-bedroom, one-bath condo has it all. A fantastic open-concept floor plan with ample spaces, clean appliances, dual-pane vinyl windows and doors, a private patio, and off-street parking. Sunsets, panoramic beach views, and evening surf sessions at the Jetty are a fact of life here. Ocean Park Condominium is a small 16-unit complex in North OB, directly across from the sand. Steps to Dog Beach, Tower 4, and the Jetty, this is a surfer's paradise. And it is one of the very few complexes in Ocean Beach that allow short-term rentals. The low HOA dues are the icing on the cake. Just blocks to OB's restaurant scene, cafes, and nightlife, and across the street from the sandy beach. The perfect location for swimming, sunning, surfing, or having a bonfire in the fire pits. This is a rare oceanfront opportunity for your second home, investment, long-term, or vacation rental. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. Listen to the waves crash, watch the sunset with a glass of wine, or enjoy your coffee and watch the boats sail by. Want oceanfront living? You got it. Call me today to make your dreams a reality.